I'm Derek, owner of Hudson Associates Business Computers. For all your technical needs, give me a call. We specialize in hardware and software sales, consulting services, and outsourcing and management. We supply desktops, laptops, printers, servers, routers, software, toners. They are all sourced from reputable local and national distribution partners and are backed by manufacturer warranties. We also are more than capable for all your technical computer needs. We service the East London and surrounding areas, including King Williamstown, Bishu and more. We offer a virtual ICT department, taking ownership and managing your ICT both remotely and on-site, a virtual CIO for your business. Contact me on the email and phone numbers given beneath. Thank you.